Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 isn't triggering properly, you're not alone. This issue typically arises due to a faulty trigger mechanism, which can prevent your vacuum from functioning as it should. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further complications, potentially affecting the motor and overall performance of your device. To tackle this problem, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement trigger compatible with the Dyson SV12. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged and remove the battery for safety. Begin by using the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the main casing. Be gentle and keep track of the screws, as losing them can complicate reassembly. Once the casing is off, locate the trigger mechanism, which is generally situated near the handle of the vacuum. You'll be looking for a small, plastic component that may appear damaged or misaligned. Carefully extract it using your tweezers. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the faulty trigger removed, take your new trigger and insert it in the same position. Make sure it clicks into place securely, and check that it sits flush against the housing. Now, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Align the casing back onto the device, ensuring that all internal components are correctly positioned and not pinched. Replace the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, applying firm but gentle pressure to avoid stripping them. Once everything is secure, reinstall the battery and plug the vacuum back in. Test the trigger to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you followed these steps, your Dyson SV12 should now be back to normal. To prevent this issue from arising again, ensure that you regularly clean your vacuum, checking for any blockages that may put strain on the trigger mechanism. Additionally, avoid dropping or mishandling the device, as this can lead to internal damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.